Hey there, welcome back to the channel. We're going to call this episode 2 of the M416 military trailer series. If you watched episode 1, you saw that we got the axle and some other parts cleaned up and sprayed with primer. The frame and these other parts I had done quite some time ago, a year or two ago probably, and they'll probably need to be just cleaned up before they get painted. You also saw me get these cleaned up and sprayed. We've got a few more parts that I'm going to continue cleaning up and getting primed. You saw me clean these with some degreaser and stuff. These need to be cleaned up. Gonna get them all cleaned down to where I can spray them with primer. And then once I get that done, I'm thinking about putting the frame on sawhorses again. That way I'll have more access to all sides of it. The wood stove keeps kicking on, interrupting me. I'm gonna go with it. So I'm thinking about getting this on sawhorses so I got more access to it, so I can get that cleaned up and ready to paint. Once I get that painted and the axle and some of these other parts, I can start assembling this the suspension and frame parts, and then move on to the tub later. Once we get the suspension and framed where it's able to set on the ground on its own, then we can worry about getting the working on the tub. Well, I took the wire wheel to some of the parts, or the parts to the wire wheel, but a few of them I went ahead and sprayed the paint stripper on. I'm going to let that do more of the work, because there's some grooves and valleys and that might be hard to get at on the wire wheel. So I'm going to try to strip as much of the paint off as I can with the paint stripper, and then I'll finish them up what I can on the wire wheel, or with a brush, or something else. Alright, I'm going to get these last few parts cleaned up and call it a wrap. I'm going to cut this one a little short today. But stick around. I really want to stay on this project and stay focused on it and hammer it out. So I'm going to try to keep the episodes coming. They might be little by little, but I'm going to try to keep on it. So like I said, I'm going to finish cleaning these up. We got some errands to run today, so I'm going to cut it short. But thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell so you get the notifications, and comment. Got questions, suggestions, anything. I answer all the comments, and I really like seeing them, so appreciate you watching, and see you next time.